Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go.
It's James Woods, aka that yoga dude. Feel free to feel free. You need some energy. You need to pick me up, you need a boost, and I got you. No Red Bull, no coffee, no tea. We're just going to use the breath. Yep, we're going to get into some breathing technique to help you energize through the rest of your day. You might be driving long distance, your head starts to bob. I know what that's like. Or at your desk, and all of a sudden your eyes start to get heavy. We're going to wake ourselves up with some powerful breathing techniques that's going to send you through the roof in a calm and relaxed way. Let's get started. Sitting, standing, even if you stand, that might be great because I clean my mat, my feet. Standing might be great to keep your energy up, but we are going to do what we call a double inhale and a long exhale. We're going to do one of those breaths to help us get some energy. What is it doing? On the double inhale, it is flooding our brain with oxygen. And when we get our brain flooded, blah, 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 blah. I need to get started so I can get some energy and talk clearly. When we flood our brain with oxygen, it turns on some switches, letting us know, hey, we are here, we are alive, we're welcome, and we're ready to get going. So we're going to do that here. Right, so it's going to sound like this. I want to jump straight into it. 2 inhales and 1 exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale and exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. And exhale. 3. And exhale. 2. And exhale. 1. And exhale. Check in. Let me know how it feels. You might be a little bit lightheaded. A little bit woo. That's okay. That's energy coming into you. But if you need to, have a seat, relax and chill. I want to jump into some more breathing. This is a Kundalini breath. This is the breath that uses more of the body. I'm going to breathe in here. And as I exhale, bring my arms down, shoving out all the toxic stress that weighs us down and zaps our energy. We're gonna wake it up. Let's inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. I know you're feeling it now. We're getting our body involved, getting the blood moving, getting the muscles stimulating, helping us to wake up, and making a whole lot of noise as we do it. Everybody can know that person is getting their energy going. We got another one I want to show you to get your energy going. This is called breath of fire. We have our nostrils. We're going to breathe in through our nostrils. And then we're going to just exhale through the nostrils. So it's going to be a focus on the exhale. We're going to start with one deep inhale. And then the rest, we're just focusing on the exhale. We don't even think about breathing in. We just let the exhale carry the oxygen in after that. It's going to look like this. My hand, I'm going to show you, it's on my belly. Every time I snatch my stomach back, it shoves out the dirt, debris, the toxin that's lodged into my lungs and my diaphragm and helps me get clear, calm, relaxed, and energized. We're going to breathe in and then make sure you get a napkin or something, wipe the boogies away, and give yourself some space and energy because you're about to go through the roof. All right, we're going to do that 20 times. Follow me. We're going to inhale once and exhale. Breathe in and relax. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in and breathe in and breathe in and enjoy the clarity. Enjoy the present. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the sensations. Enjoy the energy. Calm energy. You don't need to fidget, look around. You just be cool, calm, and collapse into yourself. Good. That was a loud clap to wake you up, and let's get going for the rest of our day. You are energized, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Appreciate you for sharing your energy with me. And as always, feel free to feel free, and everybody say namaste.